Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from ScoreBeyond, coming at you from ScoreBeyond headquarters in temporarily overcast Menlo Park, California. Let's tackle this SAT question of the day, which happens to be a math problem, and a particular type of math problem, a word problem. To solve word problems, you normally have to do some math on your own, taking information from the sentences that the question provides. In this case, using algebra actually will help you solve this question, but most people who use algebra to solve it might get stuck at some point, scratch their heads not knowing which step to take next or how to actually use what they've created. So I'm going to show you a quick way to actually solve this question, starting with the second sentence. The team gets 2 points for each win and 1 point for each loss. I could rephrase that as 2 for every W, or 2 times W, and 1 for every L, or 1 times L. 2 points for each win, 1 point for each loss. If we add up all those points together, the question tells us that the team in the end of the season collected 46 points. So all the points from the win and all the points from the loss should add up to 46. Since the question is asking for the number of games, 1, we should then also look for information from the problem talking about the number of games or matches played. The first sentence tells us the team played 30 matches. So if we think about W for wins and L for losses, we know that all the wins and losses combined will be the complete season of 30 matches. And we can write that as W plus L equals 30. So you could do substitution on this. You could also just play around with it a lot and think that it's a little too difficult or cumbersome, or you might get stuck. In this case, let's use SAT elimination, which is shorthand for the elimination that the type of SAT wants you to do. It's kind of like a math trick, and it'll help you get to the answer quicker. So I'm going to subtract the second equation from the first. 2W minus W is just 1W. And 1L minus L, well, that's actually going to eliminate the L. And 46 minus 30 equals 16. From here on out, you could take the W, plug it back into either of the equations, and then solve for L. Then you'll have the wins and losses. But remember, the question asks for the number of games won. So actually, we're done. The number of games won should be 16, which is answer D. So there you go, not too bad. Once you write out your algebraic equations mimicking the information that the question provided, pause and ask, wait, is there an easier way to do this? Can I actually simplify? The SAT loves you to simplify before you actually start doing technical math. If you'd like extra help solving questions like this one involving multiple equations that you could potentially simplify, or just trying to simplify other problems in the SAT math section, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen. If you're reading the ScoreBeyond SAT Question of the Day blog post on our blog, scroll to the bottom of the screen there and click on the tutoring banner. Our tutors can help you notice when to use this math trick here and also simplify other complicated problems in the SAT math section. All right, see you next time.